Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use LibreOffice on Windows 11 in 2026. If you've recently installed LibreOffice and want to learn the basics, this guide will help you get started quickly and easily. First, open LibreOffice from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once it launches, you'll see the main dashboard with access to Writer, Calc, Impress, Draw, and other tools. Next, choose the application you want to use. Writer is for documents, Calc is for spreadsheets, and Impress is for presentations. Now create a new file by clicking the appropriate option from the Start screen. You can also open an existing file by selecting Open and browsing to the document on your computer. Once your file is open, use the toolbar at the top to format text, insert images, create tables, and adjust document settings. Next, remember to save your work regularly. Click File and then Save, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S to avoid losing changes. If you're working with Microsoft Office files, LibreOffice can open and edit formats such as DOCX, XLSX, and PPTX. Now explore the menus and tools available in the application you're using. Most features are organized under File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, and Tools. Next, customize the interface if needed by adjusting toolbars, zoom settings, and preferences to match your workflow. Finally, save your completed work and export it to PDF or Microsoft Office formats whenever needed, and that's it. You've successfully learned the basics of using LibreOffice on Windows 11 and can now start creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations with confidence. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.